Now it seems that for a car manufacturer to sell a lot of units, they must have several crossovers in their range. Now Chery has taken that to heart by introducing, well, another one. It's called the Tiggo 7 Pro, and here's what it has to offer. The Tiggo 7 Pro is Chery's fifth model in the Philippines, and it slots in between the Tiggo 7 and the Tiggo 8. Now in terms of size, it's 4.5 meters long, so you could say it's in the same ballpark of the segment of the Toyota Corolla Cross. And with that in mind, you could probably say that Chery aimed straight for the popular Toyota. The Tiggo 7 Pro features Chery's latest design language. Now some elements are borrowed from the larger Tiggo 8, but the Tiggo 7 Pro also has its own unique twist to it. Now here at the front you have a massive grille, which seems to be a trend these days, and it comes with this diamond-studded pattern. Now it's flanked by a pair of slim headlights which are illuminated by LEDs, and speaking of LEDs, these 2-bar fog lights are also illuminated by them. In typical crossover fashion, this high-riding wagon comes with unpainted black trimmings all over the lower half of the vehicle. But to give it a little bit more contrast, there's gloss silver trimmings to go along with it. Other exterior highlights, well, there's that floating roof thing going on. In the D pillar, you have a functional pair of roof rails, 18-inch alloys in each corner, LED taillights, and even an illuminated rear garnish. Fancy. From the driver's seat, you're greeted by a fully digital instrument cluster and a lot of buttons on the steering wheel. Now, if you're curious what they're for, one side is for your audio and mobile phone controls, and the other is for cruise control. And if you want to change what's displayed on your screen, you can scroll left and right to change what's shown in front of you. Now, shift your eyes to the middle, and you have a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system which features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's fast becoming a must in every car that's being sold these days. Now just below it is your engine stop start button and your other home menus here. Now below that you have a touch panel for your single zone climate control system, and below that you have an electromechanical gear selector. Now, Chery Philippines likes to chuck in a lot of standard features in their products, and the Tiggo 7 Pro is no exception to that. Now, standard in this car is a massive panoramic sunroof, 360-degree view camera, front and rear parking sensors, ambient lighting, wireless charger, and even an N95 cabin air filtration system, just to name a few. Well, you won't see much of it, but under the hood is a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. And it's good for 145 horsepower and 210 Newton meters of torque. Now, unlike most of its compatriots, this isn't paired to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Instead, it uses a CVT, or a continuously variable transmission, with 9 simulated gears. So that's our first look at the 2021 Chery Tiggo 7 Pro. Now we'll save our impressions for a different time, but what about you guys? What's Chery's latest baby's impression on you? Well, don't be shy and chime in the comments below. Now this has been Anton Andres from AutoIndustriya.com. If you enjoyed this little preview, well, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel? And while you're at it, well, you could like us on Facebook as well and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.